The Graduate Development Program, or GDP for short, is a 2-year full-time rotational program for recent graduates in various disciplines. We currently have tracks for students in information services, supply chain, finance, as well as engineering.
The industrial gas industry is not something that most people know about, so it's a little bit underground. We're a big player in that industry and we have a really strong growth as a company, and it's full of engineers. You've got chemical engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical, industrial, and they're just great people to work with.
I joined Messer's Graduate Development Program, or GDP, to start my career because it gave me an opportunity to see different engineering roles I could potentially have in the industrial gas industry.
I really wanted the opportunity to gain a holistic experience of the different parts of a business, and the rotational aspect of this program really gave me the opportunity to do so.
What stands out most about Messer's culture to me is the way that we can cross-functionally collaborate across different groups.
The one thing that really stands out about Messer's culture is the fact that you will be able to tackle real challenging problems even as a young engineer. Our senior members in the organization certainly support that and will be supportive of all the work that you do and will help you solve those problems.
Entrepreneurship is one of Messer's core values. The company really encourages everyone to share their ideas regardless of their experience level and approach problems through an innovative lens. I love that I was able to share my ideas, and they're valued just as much as longtime employees.
I think it's a very people-focused and driven and decisive organization. I think it makes it a really great environment for employees. You're more than just watching and observing, you're participating because of that people engagement.